What's 700 horsepower look like doing a burnout?
Oh, you'll see in a couple minutes.
Oh yeah. Bro! Can't slide, you can't drive! Yeah! That's it!
That is dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to TooFast TV, and today we have a crazy beautiful truck. It's the Ford Raptor 2020, baby. If you guys haven't seen it, this is a beast of a truck. The shocks alone, well, we removed the whole front end. Why did we remove the whole front end suspension? It's because we're doing a 4-inch Fabtech lift, and let me show you the OEM shock, guys. The OEM shock is massive. Oh, massive. Now these are Fox shocks from factory with electronic dampening.
From factory?
From factory, because this is a Raptor. This is the top model, the top shebang-a-lang. You don't want to miss this beast. When you see this on the road, you better move over. Not just because it's a Raptor, but because it's a Raptor, we're doing a 4-inch lift, and we're slapping those rims on it. Take a look at the concave on those.
You can see the old rims right here. You got a little bit of dish, but then you have the new rims here, and it's like a bowl.
Yes, it's crazy. This is 20 by 12, negative 44. You know, 35-inch tires. We could have gone up to 37s, but there's a big but. Fuel economy was one thing for the gentleman, and another big but is just more strain on the whole drivetrain. Of course, the Raptor can take it. You know, it's designed for it, but at the same time, he's gonna be towing with it, and these are not even designed for towing. So they're actually designed for off-roading.
It is pretty diesel. I mean, just look at that drive shaft.
All the drive shafts are this big. Even my 5-liter Ford has a drive shaft this big.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, that's massive.
Yeah. This is just what it is. The main upgraded components are the differentials. It's the 3.5 twin turbo tuned from factory. Okay, upgraded diffs from factory. The shock assemblies, even the back shocks. Take a look at them. External reservoirs from Fox. Right.
You kind of see it in there.
That assembly alone, the shock assembly, is worth a lot of money. But it's designed for off-roading. It's not designed for pulling trailers and carrying heavy weight. The maximum load capacity on this truck is less than the V8s, I believe.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
It's designed for off-roading.
Rogue tube bender with the 2-inch pipe. We can even bend a 2-inch solid, 2-inch chromoly, 2-inch titanium, and any other sizes as well. We can change the die. We can go 1.75 inch, 1.5 inch, and 1-inch tube as well. This is a really good one. It's so smooth inside. You can see it's so smooth. There's no wrinkle, anything. And I haven't painted it yet. I was trying it since yesterday, but the bends are really nice. I can show you. I did a little bend here, so no wrinkles. This one was a little tougher, and let's see, where's our bend that we did last night. So we were just getting hang of it, but you can see it's so smooth here. It's really smooth here. Here it's an air cylinder on it, so it's air actuated, and we have some pressure dies on it, so it can bend a 2-inch bar We can make a lot of stuff from it. They call it exo bar, roll cages, inside the car roll cages, and we can do anything now. Even the external roll cages or some bash bars, whatever you just.
That's what you're doing for the Hummer, right? Like a bash bar?
Yeah, a bash bar for a Hummer. So we were just playing up with the material so we can get it perfect. So we got all the values, we made calculations, and we'll start it today. I hope we can show you more, probably in the next episode.
New truck, bud.
Yeah, I wish.
Real country boy, bud. Look at this. Oh, Jesus. How much power do y'all say this was making?
700.
700?
I don't want to talk to that guy, man. He'll tell you everything that's done to this thing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
One thing I want to know is what 700 horsepower in a truck looks like doing a burnout.
I don't know. Jordan, what's 700 horsepower look like doing a burnout?
Oh, you'll see in a couple minutes.
Oh, yeah. So you're going to send it, bud?
Yeah, I'll send it.
All right.
Just don't do it on the lines.
Yeah, just don't do it on the line. So go to like the side there.
Right here.
Ooh, go in there. In the cove.
The cove? Okay, I'll send it in the cove.
Just gotta call him a pussy.
Just call him a pussy and he does
call him
it.
a pussy and he'll do it. Seriously.
So I'm gonna go ahead and say that was probably the most impressive burnout that we've had on TooFast TV. Look at, what happened to this glove? What is this? It was tire, it started manufacturing itself into a glove. I don't know what the f. Holy.
I think it was pretty weak.
What?
That was pretty weak, man. I gotta say, like, I don't think he can do any better than that. I mean, I've seen a lot better than that.
Alright, well, he's gonna see this video,
Yeah.
and he'll be back.
Bro, my grandma's Prius can do better than this.
Jeez!
Guys, send it.
That was quite impressive. Uh-oh! Oh! Kool-Aid! I dare you to drink it. So let's see if he's got tires left.
No, he's got tons.
He's got tons of thread left. Like, what do you mean? That's painting.
Fuck, man. You know how hard it get rubber off a white truck?
Oh,
It's
trust
a
me,
bitch.
bro.
Still got a little bit more tread to do. I got tons. I still got front ones to do.
Well, I'd like to thank you for coming through and shredding these wonderful tires for us.
Well, I can do another one soon.
Well, I gotta take off, man. I gotta go home. I got to take care of.
I'll come with this next time again.
Yeah. Come with him next time he comes down here, and yeah.
I'll send it again, but it'll be a little bit more horsepower next time.
All right, yo.
But next time we should do a all-wheel launch or something more insane.
Boosted launch.
Yeah, we'll do something crazy next time for the people.
Yeah, we can do
We'll
that.
look up to the Lamborghini, we'll do an all-wheel drive donut.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. We'll look up to Celine in Cummins and see if we can tow each other backwards.
I don't know, man. I think he did you on that.
I think that's a call-out.
Yeah, that's a call.
I guess
Yeah,
I'm
that's
pulling
definitely a
Celine
call-out.
right now. I don't know if you meant it or not, but that was a call-out. That feels like
Definitely.
a call-out. You
said it now, man. It's all on video now. You
That's
have to
fine.
do it.
We'll call him out.
There it is. Confirm. Call out.
We're confirming to call out Slim. Toll against this truck against his Cummins.
Okay.
Fabtech, baby. Fabtech. Leading supplier of lift kits. And we have them all in stock. If we don't have it in stock, we get them pretty fast. This kit here, we got it within 48 hours. And that's fast, baby. Some days we get it in 24 hours. And worst case scenario is 7 days, you know?
Is that a train?
No, it's not.
That goes over this
Oh, to push it out.
to push it out this.
Oh.
You see? Maybe this gonna fit. Maybe this gonna fit, I don't know.
Maybe? It's very, very tight.
You try to push it out. I don't think I'm don't wanna go. Because this is covered.
What if I buy, use your magic. I gotta go buy the ball joint pressing tool, no?
I have the ball joint. I have the ball joint tool in my car.
Bring it.
He just has it in his car? Man just has this in his car ready to go at any time.
Yep, this is gonna be perfect.
This is the perfect one to put it there in here.
Yeah?
He's gonna go flying into the kid.
I'm gonna do it with the ball joint tool.
I don't think anything you do can be as bad as what Tony does to him.
You wanna say that?
Knock me complete here.
Huh?
He knocked me.
He knocked you out?
Yeah, with this bar that yesterday
Oh.
Yeah, he hit you?
dropped the complete there and he knocked me.
Knocked you out?
Yeah.
You fell on the ground?
Knocked me here,
You fell on the ground, you blacked
I
out.
didn't know.
Oh, shit.
That's crazy.
When did this happen?
Happened long time ago. Once here in the hoist, the same. One bar, he hit me too. Broke me here like this.
Oh, shit.
You don't see he broke here somewhere.
I see a scar, yeah, I see a scar.
Yeah.
That's fuck. That's fuck. Everybody, put it on the tire, buddy, before you hammer my hand off.
Okay.
Let's get it.
This here is stop. We got it.
Mission accomplished.
Okay. You have to do the other one.
Huh?
You have to do the other one now.
Gotta do the other one.
The other one?
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
God.
one more.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. We'll see you guys next time on TooFast TV. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And that's it. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
TooFast TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
Can't slide, you can't drive. It is what it is.